I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming physical compatibility. Find an HDMI port or plan for an HDMI to AV adapter if your TV is older. Plug Chromecast into HDMI and give it stable power. Use the original USB adapter rather than a TV USB port when possible to avoid power drops. Once done, make sure your phone or laptop and the Chromecast will share the same Wi-Fi band, 2, 4, or 5 GHz, because initial setup fails if devices are isolated on guest networks. Next, open Google Home and let it scan for the Chromecast. The app explains detection steps and why naming the device helps you later. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair and select your Wi-Fi SSID. The device may update firmware. Wait for that to finish to avoid intermittent failures. After configuration, cast a short YouTube video to verify both audio and video pass through the adapter or HDMI. If picture appears but no sound, double-check TV input settings and the adapter's audio switch. To finish, fine-tune TV settings. Set the input to the correct HDMI, adjust aspect ratio or overscan, and confirm audio output matches external speakers if used. If streaming stutters, restart the router and the Chromecast. Make sure your phone and the dongle are on the same Wi-Fi band because network isolation causes dropouts. If setup repeatedly fails or firmware hangs, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast. Hold the device button for 25 seconds, then repeat setup to clear corrupted settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.